Hi, and welcome to Premier Literacy's continued tutorial on PDF Equalizer. In this video, we're going to give you a little bit of an introduction to the PDF editor. You see I've got my sample employment application form open. I am currently on the Utilities tab of PDF Equalizer. What I'm going to do to get into the editor is simply click PDF Editor. So as you can see, we've got a new window that comes up here. We've got most of the same options available across the top bar. We've got the navigation buttons, first, prior, next, and last. Our close, save buttons, read, stop, voices, and help. And also, we've got this new toolbar here. So our first one is just a view hand. We can use that to scroll the document up and down. So our second option that we see along this toolbar here is our Annotate Document option. And this is what really brings the power into the PDF editor. It allows us to put our own data into these PDF forms. So we'll get into this in the next video because it's rather extensive. But for now, I'll just continue to give you an introduction to the program. The other features that we have available here are copy text into clipboard. So what we could do there is we can actually just highlight something in the PDF file and copy that right back out to editable text. We've also got the ability to copy that as an image. Just whatever we select will be pulled back in an image form. I'll just show you some of the annotate options just so you get an idea of what we'll be able to do with this. We click on annotate and these options become available. We can add a text comment. We can add a note comment. Yeah, there are differences there. We can add an image comment. Draw a line with a pencil. Draw an actual straight line. We can add a rectangle comment, or we can add an ellipse comment. So you'll see what these do later. I'll also direct you down to the bottom right section here. You'll see these little buttons here. Now they are very small, but there is zoom in and zoom out buttons right here, as well as different page views that you will have available to you. So if you want to zoom in on your PDF, one of your options is to use these buttons here. This one, the third one over, is your zoom in button, and the second one over is your zoom out. The way to do this would be to use the zoom display here. We can zoom in and out of the file that way. We've also got our different views, just preset zoom levels here, and then there's 1 or 2 page or even 4 page views. So right now we've just got it on the 1. As you can see, it's selected here. If we want to do 2, we click this button right here. This gives you a continuous page view. If we want to break that into 4, we can click that. And now we've got our pages side by side as well. If we want to go back and next in a different way than up top, we can also use these navigation buttons. I'll actually put it back to the single page view to demonstrate that a little better. There, we're back to page 2 and 1, last page, and first page. Just by clicking the first, prior, next, and last buttons. So as you can see, the navigation options are very plentiful in this program. You will see duplications of the same option, but it just makes it a lot easier to get to the option you want, depending on where you are on the screen. So that's been our introduction to PDF Editor as part of PDF Equalizer. You can go ahead and view the next part of the video and more support videos at www.readingmadeeasy.com. Thanks.